Hello, Infantile 3. How are you today? Good? Nice. Today we have a very nice activity, a very fun activity. We are going to play memory game. Are you ready? Let's go. So, on your book, page 58 and 59, we have here two flags from South Africa, two flags from Spain, two flags from Canada, two flags from Scotland, two flags from England, two flags from Japan, two flags from Ireland, and two flags from France. Uh-oh. But we have just one flag from Brazil. We don't have pair. What we are gonna do? If we pick it up, the Brazilian flag. The Brazilian flag is a joker. Do you know what a joker do with our game? If you pick up the Brazilian flag, that means that instead of one, you can play 2 times. Okay? So, do not forget to detach all the flags. And then, before you start playing, you need to shuffle all of them and then start playing. Okay? Have a lot of fun. If you can, please take me a picture and send it so I can see you playing memory game. Okie dokie. Okay, bye-bye. Have fun.